selling globally is the key to unlocking growth for your e-commerce business. This is where Teleship comes in. We make global shipping seamless by prioritizing low costs, speed, and transparency, one parcel at a time. With Teleship, you get the best international shipping rates and fast delivery worldwide. Your customers stay informed on shipping progress, your brand earns their trust, and your business grows internationally. Our app integrates with your online store, ERP, or 3PL so you can focus on growing your business instead of managing logistics. Our AI-driven platform does the heavy lifting for you. It estimates import duties and taxes at customer checkout and ensures there are no surprise fees upon delivery. Once you receive an international order, it takes just one click to retrieve shipping labels and generate all customs documents. Getting started is easy. Install the Teleship app, set up your company details in just 5 simple steps, and start shipping within minutes. The future of e-commerce logistics is here. Start using Teleship today.